Hello everyone, welcome to Tutor for Maths. Now, in the morning, I had posted a 5-week strategy weekly plan for class 10th board exams. So, students were demanding for class 12th also. So, here is 1 month strategy that will ensure you 100% marks. So, just again, what I have done is I have categorized all the topics of your mathematics in 20 marks divisions, approximately 20, somewhere it is 21 and somewhere it is 19. Okay, so this is the distribution of chapters, not a where distribution. Each chapter, whatever it is grouped, it is interlinked. So without, if you interchange the criteria, if you do one chapter from this, one chapter from this, it will be a problem then. So if you want to score 100% marks, surety, if you follow this criteria, you will get it. Okay. So again, those who are new to my channel, who are watching this for the first time, if you find it useful, do subscribe it, press the bell icon, like the video and share it with your friends. Okay. So now let's see how this categorization has been done. So firstly, I have grouped for 1 month strategy. I have divided into 4 weeks. Okay. So in first week, I have grouped 2 topics: matrices and determinants and LPP. LPP and L matrices both will give you 6 marks questions. So 13 mark weightage is given to matrices and determinants and 7 is weightage to LPP. So complete will give you 20 marks. So if you do these two in first week, it means you have secured 20 marks in your pocket, right? So but whatever you do, if you took chapter of matrices and determinants, you have to go for everything for 2 marks, 1 mark, whatever is as per your new syllabus criteria. Revised paper pattern has been done. So it means whatever we have to go through, whatever we have to study, that has to be strictly according to the revised pattern and revised syllabus. So they have mentioned you the marking scheme also, that from which chapter 1 mark will be coming and from which chapter 2 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks. The complete weightage has been provided to you, the blueprint. Okay. So for the deletions also, it is completely clear now. It has been a long time. Since if you have any confusion regarding the deletion of the topics, you can consider my video. I will put it in the description box. You can have a link from that. You can click it. You will be completely cleared that whatever topics are deleted from this session and what is to come. So there is a completely explained scenario in that. Okay. So now from the matrices and LPP. So LPP, you know, bounded region questions will be asked, and from the matrices and determinants, majority is that you will get, firstly you will be getting an option, so you will be getting a question definitely to solve this by the matrix method. The row operations all has been deleted. So dead sure questions, we all know what will be coming, what type of questions will be coming. So this will cover your 20 mark scenario. Okay. So moving to week number 2, second week, what we have done, now vectors and 3D can't be separated. If you don't know what is vector, how to deal with this, the vector form, the Cartesian form, right? So without that you will not be able to do the 3D. And from 3D again you have important questions which consider image of a point, shortest distance. Angle topic has been deleted, right? So important, what is left is shortest distance and image of the points. It can be image, it can be any point in the plane. You have to find direction numbers, direction cosines. So these are to be done from the vectors. So these two are completely interlinked, and from the chapter vectors you will be getting 2 mark question, and from the 3D you will be getting 6 mark question. Okay, so total weightage of 3D is 9, 6 marks, plus you will be getting 3 1 mark questions, And from vectors, complete weightage is 5. So we will be getting 2 mark questions as well as 1 mark questions. Now this probability chapter. This probability chapter is completely different from this two, but it is not linked, but it covers the majority. It covers the main part of the paper. 7 marks it carries. So 4 mark question, as you know, will come from probability, and the topic of random variables, mean, by binomial distributions are completely deleted from this for this session. So for probability, surely you will be getting a question on Bayes theorem. So I have the video over there in my channel. So if you have any query how to deal with probability, it has been explained in an easier and simpler way. So you can consult that, you can consider that, have a look over this. Note clearly the method that I have taught, how to deal with the Bayes theorem and questions based on Bayes theorem. So that question will be asked. Okay. So in the second week, you will be completing with 21 marks. 5 for vectors and 3D. Don't consider it as a separate again. I am saying vector and 3D, consider it as one. So it means in one stretch you have to complete 14 marks. And probability is different. That is completely different. But again, all 1 mark questions are given at the end of each and every supplementary book, whatever book you want to consider. No worries. Everyone has that. Right? So paper will be from the NCERT. Your board exam will be surely from the NCERT. Little bit change could be done, as that is simple, that's expected. They can change in any numerical value, so you will be getting a new question with that, right? So this covers 21 marks, okay, right? So next, moving on to week 3 and week 4. So both are almost equal. Why I have put week 3 content before week 4's content? Why not continuity and differentiability before that? Reason: relation and functions in inverse trigonometry, integrals and application of integrals. Here integrals carries 9-10 marks. Okay, so that's why I have kept this before week 3. But if you have any query, like sometimes students feel that I will do differentiation first and then I will move on to integration. No worries. Then if you want to shift the complete portion. Not any segregation. Don't do that, like these two parts you will do in week 3 and then you will be continuing this. Wrong. Whenever you do, you will find that why I am saying this. There is some interlinkage. So if you want to go for week 3 as this, you can go, but for the complete package. Okay. So week 3 I have put it is 4 chapters. Why? Because after this you will be getting your pre-boards also. So you will be having less time. So if you have 4 chapters to do afterwards, you will be confused and you will have burden on your mind that we have to do 4 chapters now. So I have put it ahead prior to your pre-boards. So relation and functions, 2 marks from this chapter. Inverse trigonometry, most of it is deleted. There is only one exercise and you have to concentrate on the principal values. Integrals, application of integrals, weightage is very high, 10 plus 2, 12. Right? So here a particular type of integral has been deleted. You can see in my deletion video. So complete weightage will be of 20 marks. Moving on to the last 4th week, which will come in between your pre-boards, but it is easy. Stress mainly is on 9 marks and 7 marks. Application of derivatives and differential equation. Application is a small part, 3 marks, and you know the things are related. Now continuity and differentiability. Continuity, CD formulas and DC formula, you will get 1 mark from that. It might be given if a function is continuous, will that be differentiable? Or if a function is differentiable, will that be continuous? So you should know that. Okay, so continuity and differentiability, application of derivatives, a complete 19 marks you will be getting in week number 4. You will be studying in week number 4. So if you follow these weekly patterns, surely guaranteed that you will score 100% marks. And do not leave any example, solved example or any question from the NCERT. Give more stress to NCERT because paper will come from NCERT only. So this was the monthly strategy, weekly plan for your plus 2 class. I have specified this for mathematics, right? But for other subjects also you can have the similar scenario. You can bifurcate it in 20 marks and then it will be easier for you. So it means after 4 week, you will, after that 4 week is done, you will get your pre-boards, right? So you might have done some mistakes. So in week next, whatever, I have made a monthly strategy. I means I have covered 4 weeks, right? First week, second week, third week and fourth week. 4 week. So it means total your marks, 80 marks are covered. Paper you were getting of 80 marks, so we have covered all that. So, and in the next, what after 4 weeks, you have done your pre-boards. You might have done some errors, you might be having some doubts over there. So in the next week, what your main stress will be, you will be knowing that where you lagged, where you lost marks, in which section you are weak. So next that you will be concentrating on all the weaker points, right? So make sure whatever chapter you are taking, you have to take it as 100%. Like consider that this is the last day and tomorrow you are having an exam. So study like that. If you think nahi, I will do it later, कल कर लेंगे, ये ढीलापन, ये सुस्ती वाला काम अब नहीं चलना, ठीक है? जो करना है क्विकली और ऑन द स्पॉट करना है, ठीक है? अभी करना है. अब के बाद जब हम कल करेंगे, कल कर लेंगे, वो आप ही का नुकसान होगा. Then you will not be able to cover up each and everything. Okay? So that's all. If you have any query, any doubt, like what to do from which chapter, even I have video over there. Which chapter, what things are to be done from each of the important chapters. For example, for 6 marks. So you can have a cope up with that video. You can have all the important information. Okay. So even if you have any other query, you can message me in the comment section. Thank you. And all the best for your exams.